Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend, we came to analyze for you the Forex market and the opportunities also we saw, and we will enter in them. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates. Also, we are a special YouTube channel only about trading. We put a weekly video analyzing for you the Forex market, a monthly video analyzing the stock market, and everyday video analyzing the Bitcoin, my friend. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all those things free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free, my friend. So let's start our journey, my friend. So my friend, before we even start, we go into my browser to see the coming news. So let's go into my browser to see the coming news this week. Here we are, my friend, in my browser. In Sunday, there is nothing, only those things about China. So everything is too clear. In Monday, 1st of August, 6 o'clock, early in the morning, GMT time here I'm talking about, we got retail sales of Germany. At 2 o'clock afternoon, we got ISM manufacturing of USA. Think everything is too clear. In Tuesday, 2nd of August, at 4:30, we got interest rate decision of the Aussie. So be aware of all those things, my friend. In Wednesday, 3rd of August, at 9 o'clock, we got retail sales of Europe. At 2 o'clock, we got ISM services of USA. So we got one is coming in Monday about manufacturing, and in Wednesday, we got about services. Everything is too clear, my friend. In Thursday, 4th of August, we got at 1:30 after midnight trade balance of the Aussie. At 11 o'clock, before the noon or in the morning, we got the Bank of England interest rate decision. So be aware of all those things, my friend. In Friday, 5th of August, my friend, at 1:30, we got the Aussie monetary policy statement. At 12:30 afternoon, we got non-farm payroll of USA. So be aware of all those things, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's going back to our broker to show you more, my friend. Here we are, my friend. The first pair we got is the EURUSD. EURUSD last week used to be here in that place. I told you from here it's going to go up, but it doesn't. It's stay ranging all the week here. Now look where it is. My view to it from here is going to go upward, my friend, till here. Why? As you see, let me show you something very important here. As you see here, my friend, what we got here a cup and handle, my friend. And I know everyone who knows how to trade by that one. You just calculating from here, and when it's broken like that, so like that, you calculating the target, my friend. Everything is too clear. The levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.04 585. Another level here, 1.03 538. Another level here, 1.02 476. Another level here, 1.01 240. And that one here, 1.00018, my friend. Everything is too clear. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here, my friend, in that place. I told you from here it's going to go up, but it doesn't. It fell down till it touched in here. If you remember the trend or the divergence, it touched it here. Then look where it is now. Our view to it from here, maybe it will go upward, or maybe it will go back and touch it again. Then after that it will go upward, my friend. We are not going to enter short always. It given us here a divergence, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the EURUSD, my friend. The other pair we got, my friend, it's the cable, my friend. The cable last week we used to be here. I told you from here it will go upward till here. It doesn't reach where we said exactly, but it went till here, as you see it. My view to it, it will come till it will touch in here, that channel here, the top of that channel. Then after that, from there it will fall down, my friend. And another thing very important here, if you see it, let me show it to you. As you see here, what we got, that the first shoulder, the head, another shoulder, my friend. And that one, how you trade it, you just put like that. You calculate it from here, from the line of the neck, and you put it here. So the target is going to be till here, where else exactly we said. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend. First level here, 1.24 759. Another level here, 1.22 665. Another level here, 1.21 808. Another level here, 1.19 614. and the last level here 1.17773, my friend. Everything is too clear? So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see, we used to be here in that level. I told you from here it will go upward, but it stay ranging here as you see it. If you remember, also we used to have here the divergence trend line. It touches here. Now our view, it need to come upward. We are not going to enter short unless if it given us a divergence, my friend. And when it give it to us, I will put it for you in my Telegram channel. By the way, if you are not subscriber to our Telegram channel, in the first comment, as you see it now in the picture, you're going to find a link to our Telegram channel. Go now, join us there, where we're giving free daily signals, my friend. When we find the opportunity, we give it to you there. And with that link, you're going to find a 85% couple link to our highly recommended course if you want to learn to trade using technical analysis. That course is going to teach you everything you want about technical analysis. Go now and join it, my friend. By the way, the course, including with it a 85% couple link, the course is going to cost you only 13 bucks. I think it's a very good deal for you, my friend. So that's it for the cable, my friend. The other pair we got, it's the Aussie, my friend. The Aussie last week we used to be here in that level. I told you from here it will go up or tail here. Look where it went, tail here. My view to it, it will continue till it will touch in here, that level here. As you see it, my friend, that one here. I think everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, my friend, for the Aussie. First level here 0.72473. Another level here 0.71837. Another level here 0.71011. Another level here 0.70078. Another level here 0.69129. Another level here 0.68563. And that one here 0.67779, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. If you don't understand something, just write it in a comment and we will reply you as soon as possible. And please support us by liking the video, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI, my friend. Last week we used to be here, my friend. Told you from here it will go in upward, but it doesn't. It came back and it touched here the trend line, that one of the divergence again here. And now look where it is. My view to it, from here it will go upward till it will touch in here the overbought area. Then it needs to give us a divergence or something. Then after that it will fall down, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for the Aussie, my friend. The other pair we got is USD Japanese yen, my friend. That one last week we used to be here. I told you from here it's going to fall down till here. And that's what it did exactly as you see it, my friend. Look where we are now. We are here in that level. My view to it, from here it will go in upward, my friend. So be ready for that one, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. Levels we got, my friend. First level here 138.006. Another level here 136.236. Another level here 133.792. And that one here, the price is far away from it, my friend. Everything is too clear. If you don't understand something, my friend, just write it in a comment and we will reply you as soon as possible, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI, my friend, to be the picture more clear to you. Is if you see here, my friend, what we got here and here. We got a divergence, my friend. That way I told you it's time to enter in it long, my friend, like that. Everything is too clear. If you remember last week, we used to have here a trend. We used to be here in that place exactly. I told you from here it will go and go upward till here to touch that trend, and after that it will fall down. And that's what it did exactly here. As you see it, my friend, it touched it here. And after that it fall down, it gave us here a divergence as you see it. My view to it, from here it will go in upward till the overbought area, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for USD Japanese yen, my friend. The other pair we got is the gold, my friend. The gold last week we used to be here in that place. I told you from here it will go in upward. Look where it is now, my friend. My view to it, from here it will go in upward till here. Then after that it's going to make a correction like that. Then after that it will continue upward, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Levels we got, first level here 1844.62. Another level here 1820.25. Another level here 1796.83. Another level here 1775.17. Another level here 1750.89. Another level here 1733.34. And that one here with how to mention it because the price is far away from it, my friend. So my friend, let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. As you see it, last week we used to be here in that place. I told you from here it needs to come down to touch the trend line here. Of the divergence will push all the time up. As you see it, it touches here. Now look where it is. Is it at the overbought area? My view to it, my friend, maybe it's going to come up until it touching that green one here. Then after that, it will come down again to that level here to touch that trend line of the divergence. Then after that, it will go in upward again, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So that's it for the gold, my friend. The other pair we got is Dragon, my friend, or British Pound, Japanese Yen. That one last week used to be here. I told you from here it's going to fall down, but it doesn't. It went up or till here. Then after that, it fall down till here. My view to it from that level where we are now is going to go upward till here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. Why? Because if you see here, my friend, if you remember, we used to have here a head and shoulder here, my friend. But as the market makers, they know it, they push it from down till here because they know stop loss. They are here down in the second shoulder. They went there, they smashing the or they hitting the stop loss there. And now look what they give you here. They give you here like double top. Now it break it down, but my view to it from that level where we are us is going to go upward till here, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. So the levels we got, my friend, first level here 167.876. Another level here 164.679. Another level where we are now 161.870, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Last week we used to be here, my friend. Me, I told you maybe it's going to fall down till here, then after that it's going to go upward, but it doesn't. Only from there it went upward till here, as you see it. And now something very important, my friend. If you see here and here, what you see in, my friend? You see in that a divergence, my friend. That's why me, I told you it's going to go upward like that, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it, my friend. That our weekly analysis. If you are new to this channel, please smash the like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next week, my friend. If you are a crypto trader, see you tomorrow, my friend. So bye for now, my friend.